Hello, hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to an extremely sunny Derbyshire. Now we're not stopping here long. Gonna nip out to East Coast today. Say it's got to pick my videos a bit more careful now. I can't do none of this mad long distance stuff and 20 mile a day, none of that. It's gone out at wind. Anybody that don't know where I'm on about is I got diagnosed with cancer about 6-7 weeks ago, and yeah, I'll let you know more about that at end. Actually, I'll do a bit on end on progression of that and where we are and where we're going with it. I'll let you know how I'm doing. But yeah, as for today, we're gonna nip out to East Coast to Donna Nature Reserve and see seals, grey seal colonies. But as always, say I'm going out with wife and daughter. As always, we've left it late. It's probably about 11 o'clock now, so by the time we get there, it'll probably be time to come back. But anyway, I'll see you there.
Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look. Come on. Come on. Hello. Hello. Hope you've got the cutest little eyes. Haven't you? Haven't you? I'd love to go and be able to touch, but I think they might bite me. Have you got teeth at your age? Have you? Have you got teeth at your age?
Put your fingers in and find out. I'm back in Derbyshire. Mrs has just nipped down to the stables to sort horse out, and I figured I'd do outro to this video and give you a little update on how I'm doing. Obviously it's day after, it were way too late last night by the time we got back, so yeah. How cool them seals, absolutely amazing. In fact they're that good, my daughter's gone back again today to see them. Bless her. Her and her boyfriend's gone back out and to see him again today. But yeah, completely free and all that on weekdays. I think you have to pay for parking on weekends and that's it. But plenty of knowledgeable staff about. Really recommend it, especially if you've got young kids. So right, let's get on to updatey bit. So yeah, a lot of you, if you've seen the last video, you'll be aware I got diagnosed with cancer. Now, they obviously didn't know what sort of, well they did, it was lung cancer, but they didn't know exactly what it were. We've had all tests and everything, they've all come back. It's small cell lung cancer, apparently one at rare ones and one at more aggressive ones. So, that's potential to double itself every 42 days or something, so jobs are good and I don't do things by half, do I? So yeah, I went in, what day this time last week? Say last Tuesday, it's Tuesday today, so last Tuesday we're pretty much told I'd got weeks left to live if I did nothing. So months if, well hopefully a bit more, but months if I start chemo. So said yeah, let's get it started. So I started chemo on Wednesday. Pretty much hopefully got through it unscathed this first bout, so say felt sick once and that's about it. So yeah, that's about where we are. Now, as for videos, I'm going to have to, like I said earlier, well yesterday, I'm going to have to do these shorter small ones. I just can't bloody do these big long distance ones in Peak Districts anymore. No big 20 milers or going up big stupid hills. It'd put me on my arse, but like I say, hopefully there might be a few camping ones about soon. I say chemo's took up, paying off my stomach now, where my liver were trying to force its way through my rib. In fact, I never told you what we're up with that, did I? Bloody arm's killing. It was small cell lung cancer. It had spread into a lymph node in the middle of my chest, then down into my kidney, consumed that, just completely filled it. spreading to each one of my shoulders and into my stomach lining and all, apparently. So I was like, wow. So yeah, but chemo's took all pain off now. Say I'm literally coming off at pain relief. Say in a week, it's unreal how much difference that's made. I don't think I've had any real major pain relief. After I've stuff in the morning and at night and needles for bone marrow and crap like that, but resting at pain, I'm not on versatile note now through day, so it's a win-win for me. So yeah, that's about it, guys. You're up to date now. Now hopefully, like I said, I can get out, do a camp with our Danny if we can get one close enough, and we can get car close enough to get gear to it and keep out of way. Then yeah, I feel like I'm getting stronger every day now, so jobs are good, and hopefully it continues that way and I might get out and be able to do a camping video. Who knows, might even be able to go an hiking video. Might not be a big one, but we'll try. Well, I'll try my best. So right guys, that's it. As always, thanks for watching. Please give us that big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hey, hopefully there's the next one I'll see you on it.